क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है फॉर ए गिवन वेलोसिटी a projectile has the same range r for two angle of projection. If t1 t2 are the time of flight in two cases, then t1 equal to t2 is equal to what? So actually we have to do that for a given velocity, that means the velocity is the same. Okay, the velocity is the same. A projectile has the same range for two angles, so their angle is different. So if we take another angle, that is this one, like so, r2 and r1 will be same, but the angle are different. Okay, so that means in first case the angle is theta 1, and for the second one the angle is theta 2. Okay, so as we know that in those cases, जैसे कि हम लोग जानते हैं, जिस केस में रेंज विल बी द सेम, range same and the velocity same, but angle of projection is different, that is theta 1 not equal to theta 2. In these cases always the sum of theta 1 and theta 2 always 90. The sum of theta 1 plus theta 2 always 90. So here we can conclude that theta 2 equal to 90 degree minus theta 1. So okay, now what we have to do, we have to do that t1 and t2 are the time of flight. So as we know that the formula of time of flight, that is t, is given as 2u sin theta divided by g. Okay, so in first cases t1, so it will be t1 as, for first angle of projection it will be theta 1, and for second one the time of flight will be 2u sin theta 2 divided by g. Okay, so now we have found that theta 2 equal to 90 degree minus theta 1. So if we put this value of theta 2, it will be sin 90 degree minus of theta 1 divided by g. So it will be come out to be 2u cos theta 1 divided by g. Okay, so what have been asked that t1 and t2 is equal to, so the relation of t1 t2 with r. Okay, so if we multiply the values of t1 and t2, it will be t1 into t2. What it will be? It will be for t1 it is 2u sin theta 1 divided by g into 2u cos theta 1 divided by g. So it will be 4u square sin theta 1 into cos theta 1 divided by g square. Okay, so now we have to found the relation of t1 t2 with r. So what is the formula of r? What we know that the formula of r is 2, it will be like sorry square sine 2 theta divided by g. Okay, so as we know that this is the formula of r, so now we have to rearrange this as this will be so it will be like that 4 square sine square theta 1 into cos theta divided by g square. So it will be 2 into square into 2 sin theta 1 cos theta 1 divided by g square. That will be 2 square sin 2 theta 1 divided by g square. So 2 by g into square sin 2 theta divided by g, this part will be r. Okay, as we know that the formula of r is u square sin 2 theta by g, so it will be 2r by g. Okay, so t1 into t2, the relation will be 2r by g, so option A will be correct. Okay.